Hey, welcome to week number 14, December 5 to December 9. Our goal is to learn two boxes connected by rope and also the attrit machine, elevator, as well as the inclined plane. I'm going to make some changes to the homework. So instead of this one would be due on Monday. So Newton's second law is due on Monday 10 in the morning. This one I'm going to push it to Tuesday, December 6, and this one, the attrit machine, I'm going to push it to Wednesday, December 7. This one I'm going to post now. I'm going to make a tutorial in a few moments. As soon as I finish the tutorial, then I'm going to post this one. Please finish it Monday because we're going to go over this on Monday. So I want you to come to class with more than 0% understanding so that you get full understanding by the time we end the class. Newton's second law lab, very important. We're going to use FAT simulation to complete this lab. At home you want to use the FAT simulation to finish this lab. How you going to use the FAT simulation? That's what in this tutorial I'm going to explain. So let's dive in, pay attention so that you can finish the lab. This lab will take only 10 minutes to finish. So make sure you take 10 minutes to finish the lab by 10 in the morning on Monday. It took me forever to create this lab. Otherwise, my initial plan was to give you this lab in the morning, but I ran out of time. I just finished creating the lab. Apology for this delay. I already gave you the link under the Google Classroom assignment, but you can go to the Google and write FAT force basics and then click on it, and then make sure you choose the last one, acceleration, and that's what we're going to do. Once you are there, make sure you check everything except the speed, no speed. Make sure you keep the friction 0. Next time you're going to do friction. This time you're going to do no friction, 0 friction. One more thing, and that is we're going to keep the applied force constant. That means 50 Newton. In this lab, I want you to first drag 40 kilogram and then see what is the acceleration. 50 kilogram, then see what is the acceleration. 80 and 100 and see what is the acceleration. 40 kilogram you have the highest acceleration, and 100 kilogram you have the lowest acceleration.